こんにちは。いらっしゃいませ。
Ayun siya. Guys, this is it! First ever out-of-town video cover invite ko. At grabe, sobrang thankful ako for this opportunity. I was invited to check out the newly opened Unagi no Naruse branch dito po sa Izu Nagaoka. Siyempre, go agad ako. O ano pa nga ba, hindi ko pinalampas ito. Pero, may isang malaking problema po. Every time I see or I hear unagi, ang unang pumapasok po sa isip ko, para siyang ahas. Kaya never ko po siyang tinikman, unang tikman ever, as in never talaga. So for today's video, challenge talaga to for me. Will I finally eat unagi? Or tatawagin ko na lang ang jowa ko para sunduin ako? Char! So, tara, samahan niyo ako sa journey kong ito. Baka sakaling makonvert ako into an unagi lover. So, let's go guys! Oru? Hazel. 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 Ah, うちの社長。あ、そうなんです。はじめまして。青木さん。そう、アウトレット。そう、だから。At alam niyo ba mga mamshi, super thankful sa isang friend dahil kung hindi sa kanya, hindi po naging possible ang video cover invite na to. Ayan, nirecommend lang naman po niya ako sa kanyang boss. Kaya Jen, I owe you only unagi. I'm honestly so grateful for this chance. Kaya kahit kabado, push tayo. So, 一言だけ。At pagdating namin sa Unagi no Naruse, grabe, ang cozy ng vibes, ang linis at ang minimalist. Very Japan feels talaga. The place, hindi po siya masyadong malaki, pero ang ganda ng setup. May 4 cute table cubicles and a chill counter spot for solo or duo diners. Ang menu po nila ranges from a budget-friendly na 1,600 yen set, yes, pasok sa budget, up to 4,400 po. Special set sa perfect pang treat sa sarili or sa date mo, kung meron man. Char. Pero wait lang ha, ito na talaga. Time to face my greatest fear. Ang unagi is the ill. Like, real talk talaga. Every time po na nakikita ko ang unagi o may makikita akong unagi, parang nakikita ko lang talaga sa harapan ko is ahas na may sauce. Kaya never ko po talaga siyang tinikman sa buong buhay ko o kinain. As in, never po talaga. But today, we're doing it. At talagang walang atrasan na. So, ayun, hawak ko na ang chopstick, deep breath, first bite. And I was shocked. Oh, hindi nga guys. Ang sarap pala. Dapat noon ko pa to tinikman. Grabe. The sweet savory sauce, konting wasabi, match made in heaven ang lasa. Tapos yung unagi, so milky, so soft, na parang natunaw lang sa bibig ko. Walang langsa, I swear. Wala talagang kaamoy-amoy. Not even a trace of that fishy smell I was scared of. O diba bongga? After that meal, legit na ipaisip talaga ako. Anong ginagawa ko sa buhay ko at to this whole time? Bakit ko lang ngayon siya natikman? Oh my God. So if you're like me na may ill trauma, give unagi a chance. You might just fall in love. Grabe, subukan nyo na para hindi kayo manghinayang tulad ko. So, ayun na nga, another fair unlock and another sarap discovered. Don't judge a fish by its resemblance to a snake. If you like this food adventure, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe para more takot to tikim moments with me. O diba, bongga? Ah, kulay mo no. Yeah.なんでよ。デイシーなんて3人しかいないって感じ。ジェルなんて28人いる。いいな。でもしら。誰が誰だか分かんないです。やばい。So guys, if you never tried unagi before, just like me, Unagi no Naruse in Izu Nagaoka is the perfect place to start. The unagi here is unbelievably soft, milky in texture with no fishy smell at all. And that sweet savory sauce, so addictive. I was already craving my next bite halfway through. Highly recommended for first-timers and unagi lovers alike. Wala siyang amoy, walang langsa, wala. Ang sarap. Dalo ni mga anak ko rin. Mingon kayo, hapon man, kabalirin na. Okay, kung wala. Ano ba? Si Kuya, di ba? Mag-bike lang siya, then sa Daiba, sakay siya, then nautin ko. Tapos nagawa ka. Ang hapon pa kami ni mo. Lahi ang siya. Lahi. Ay, siya yun yan. Tatariすごいし。いっぱい宣伝して。はい、頑張ります。ジェルさ、聞いたからじゃない。うちのスタッフは届けました。1回は。あ、そうなの？あ、もう聞いてるのまだ。うちのスタッフ。あ、じゃあみんな。だから言って必ず横浜の社員証あるじゃん。あ、はいはい。あれで面白い。で、1杯かな。1回だけだよ。1回ね。じゃあ言っときます。待ってよ。横浜ドームの社員は1回。ちょっと考えるって。どんなインタビューするの？一言だけ。彼女を募集中にしたいんだけど。うなぎの成瀬伊豆長岡店6月28日オープンいたしました。おかげさまでたくさんのお客さんがご来店されております。皆さんうなぎが大好きということでテイクアウトもやっておりますので、ぜひお越しください。場所はどこの辺ですか？場所は伊豆の国市南城
184の2になります。
はい。こちらね。はい。
お待ちしております。
はい。よろしくお願いします。
Unagi, or freshwater eel, has been a part of Japanese cuisine for thousands of years. It boomed in popularity during the Edo era, providing much-needed energy to the laborers of the time. Traditionally, it is prepared in a style called kabayaki. The eel is split, deboned, skewered, and grilled with a sweet soy-based sauce. Rich in vitamins A, B, D, and E, it's a nutritious choice that supports overall health and vitality. It's also celebrated for its rich, buttery texture and unique flavor, making it a beloved delicacy. Unagi is quite expensive due to its rarity and the labor-intensive process of farming and preparation. Experience a quintessential part of Japanese culinary heritage. That's why you should try